This is the Impromptu Tactical Pen from Gerber. Don't let anyone tell you the pen is mightier than the sword, unless it's this one. Machined from steel and Cerakote, coated for corrosion resistance, it features a tempered steel glass breaker in its tip for emergency situations. The included all-weather Right-in-the-Rain ink cartridge effectively works in wet or dry conditions. Proudly made in the USA. There's no such thing as writer's block with the Impromptu Tactical Pen.
Today at CRKT, we are taking a look at the Williams Tactical Pen. This is a James Williams design specifically to fly under the radar and be used as a self-defense tool. First and foremost, this is a pen, so you can see it does write very well. It's got a Fisher Space Pen insert. Basically, to use it, you just grip it in your hand and use it as a trauma instrument to get away. That's what it's designed to do. And it's designed specifically to be non-aggressive. It looks like a stellar executive pen. It writes well. It fits nice in the hand. You can see it right there. The cap doesn't have to be screwed on. It snaps right on with an O-ring. And it does have a pocket clip. You can see it in my shirt pocket here, as well as in my pants pocket, just to give you an idea of how it rides. It is 1.2 ounces and it's made from 6061 aluminum. That's aircraft grade aluminum, so it's going to be nice and strong. One last thing I wanted to mention about that pocket clip there is it is removable. If you don't want to roll with it, you can untwist that and remove that pocket clip. There you have it. Again, this is a James Williams designed tactical pen, and it is great for everyday carry. Thanks for watching, and thanks for carrying CRKT.
Introducing the Atomic Bear line of everyday carry tactical pens, a collection of high-functioning, utility-driven defensive writing tools. The SWAT pen, an anti-slip grip ballpoint that slides into a practical heavy-duty nylon belt sheath. A tactical pen that gives your writing a smooth finish. The MTP6 pen, a high-utility concept with a dual-mode flashlight. Featuring an easily assembled multi-tool to take on everyday tasks. Built for preparedness and tailored to fit the needs of the individual. The Rebel Pen, a sleek tactical writing instrument with a below-the-radar design. Practical elegance constructed from unbreakable military aircraft grade aluminum. Each pen comes equipped with a defensive glass-breaking tungsten tip on the business end, which can be quickly deployed in a reverse grip position for maximum striking power. All of these pens are machined for perfect weight and balance and textured to provide a perfect feel. Built to take a beating and give it back in spades. The Atomic Bear Everyday Carry Tactical Pens. They're not just pens, they're something more.